Welcome back to the reaction zone. In today's lesson, we're going to look at how to solve the question on the board using the mole concept. And the question is as follows. Calculate the volume of 3.4 grams of ammonia at standard temperature and pressure, assuming it has ideal behavior. To solve this particular question, the first thing to do is to find the number of moles that 3.4 grams of ammonia corresponds to. The mass of ammonia from the question is 3.4 grams. To find the number of moles that 3.4 grams of ammonia corresponds to, we need to know the molar mass of ammonia. The molar mass of ammonia is 14 for nitrogen plus 1 times 3 atoms of hydrogen to give us 17 grams per mole. Now, the number of moles of ammonia, is simply the mass of ammonia over its molar mass. That is 3.4 grams over 17, and this will give us 0.2 mole. Now, at this point, we have to remember the relationship that exists between number of moles and volume. Recall that 1 mole of a gas at STP occupies a volume of 22.4 dm. This means that 1 mole of ammonia at STP has a volume of 22.4 dm. So if this is the case, it therefore means that 0.2 moles of ammonia at STP will occupy a volume of 0.2 times 22.4. And this is going to give us 4.48 dm. So what this means is that the volume of 3.4 grams of ammonia at STP is 4.48 dm. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.